It is so easy to customize and send a broadcast with beacons. We actually do it for you. Let me show you. At the top, click on the Broadcast tab and click New Broadcast. At the top, you'll see a section called Ready-Mades. Whenever you upload a video or refresh a link to your link in bio, we'll craft a tailored email to spotlight your new content for you that is completely AI generated. Have your own link you want to promote, like a video or product? Click Generate with AI and drop a link and it will create the perfect email to send to fans. With both these options, you can send it just like that or use it as a starting point and customize it to your heart's content. But let's say you want to create your own email instead. You can start from scratch and have a blank canvas to customize, or you can choose from one of our many expert design templates. In our email builder, you can fully customize your email. You can browse color palettes or choose your own and even select from a large library of fonts. If you're a creator, you can add content and video blocks, sell your store items, and offer free downloads. Click on any part of the email itself to edit and change the title or links. You can also rearrange the order of sections by clicking and dragging the 6 dots on the left side of the block. You can also check what the email will look like in desktop or mobile, and even send a test to yourself to see what it looks like in your inbox. Once you're satisfied, hit Next, and you can change the subject and preview lines. We can also let AI do this for you too. Press Continue to add recipients, and you can customize the location so it targets only specific location your subscribers are in. Customize what groups you want to send the email to, as well as manually adding email addresses if you like. Press Review and Send, and you can either send an email now or schedule it for later. And there we go, you've successfully sent your broadcast. Once your audience has opened and interacted with your new broadcast, their live activity will show up here. Let automations do the work for you. Easily set up an email automation sequence from specific triggers or time delays. At the top of the email marketing app, click on Automations. Then press New Automations. You can start from scratch or use one of our many templates. Press Use Template, and here is where you can start customizing your automation. Choose the starting point and select your trigger. Choose the time delay and choose between hours or days, or leave it at 0 for an immediate send. Click on the actual email to customize the design and contents. Add another email and choose a time delay. A quick tip, make sure to add your subject and preview lines in each email before activating your automation. Once you've done that, hit Activate and your emails will send automatically. You can manage the automations here as well as the data here. After you have a full email list, you can view all your members in the Audience tab as well as their info. You can also view who's the most engaged fans by this score right here, and by clicking on each member, you can edit their info as well. See and create groups in the Groups tab. Find and manage those in your membership in the Memberships tab, and sign up forms to your website with a banner or pop-up. You can also filter and sort your audience, and you can even add those into a group.